Hi traders, welcome to Moneytize. Today I'm going to record a video on FOMO. FOMO, as you all know, the fear of missing out. It's very natural and common amongst the traders to take trades out of FOMO. It's a situation where we all feel the potential profits to be missed out if we don't get into a particular trade. There are several techniques which can be adopted to control FOMO, but today I am going to talk about only one of them. So, the number one technique to keep a control on your FOMO is to define your rules, exact definition of your entry and exit rules. So, FOMO is basically something related to entry of trades rather than exiting the trades. So when you have your rules defined crystal clear, no matter what may happen in the market, if you are not getting the validated trade setups as per the rule, you are not going to take them. Automatically, you will stay out of FOMO. Now, how to define your rules? It's very important. You should have the crystal clear knowledge about the subject. You should know how to adopt a particular trading method and then religiously follow it. Do not get into trades just out of the fear of missing out. So what I realized, market is never the same. It never behaves exactly in the same manner as it has done in the past. For example, all traders know after a impulsive move, there is a pullback, and they are waiting for the pullback or the retracement to get into the trend to catch the trade. Now, there are different levels of retracement 23, 38, 50, 61, and so on. You have to check which level is the most effective one. If you start taking trades every time it touches 23, 38, 50, it may be successful, it may not. But if you have a data, if you practice your trades maybe on a demo account and you just keep a tab of your data, how many times the market was successful when it bounced back from 61 and 50 levels. Maybe it is more successful when it's bouncing off after a deeper pullback rather than a 38 or 23 level. So now your rule is defined. You know, I don't want to enter into a trade if it is a shallow pullback, 23, 38. I will only enter when it is 30, when it is beyond 38, which is 50 and 61. So this is how you create your set of rules. You have a solid system and a method to which you adopt. So I will show you on the charts when and how we can validate our trade setups so that you should not have the anxiety or the fear of missing out. And guys, this is only one of the techniques to control your FOMO. Keep watching my videos. I'll be recording new videos in the series How to Control FOMO. So I've taken this AUD CAD chart 4-hour time frame and I'm going to take an example on the retracement. So what I'll do, I'll take it from the highest point to the first low to check the fib retracement. The first line, fib line is 23, second is 38, third one is 50, and the golden one is 61.8. So what we have noticed after getting down, after this downward push, the market has retraced to 50 level. In fact, it has come in between 50 and 61. So this is what I'm trying to say. The market would have maybe continued lower from this level, which is 38 or maybe from 23. So if we have our rules, the entry rules clearly defined, we are not going to take any trade if it retraces less than 50 to 61. We are not going to take the trade. let it go. We may miss the entry, but if we are going to trade, we are only going to take the setups in which the retracement or the pullback is at least 50 to 61%. So this is my rule. This is my condition. If it has been fulfilled, I will get into trade, otherwise, we will not. So, in this case, if my rule book says it should retrace minimum 50 to 61, it has fulfilled the condition. So, we will take this trade. And if we would have taken it from this area, we would have made some good amount of profit. Now, let's find out any other entry which is not exactly or any other setup which is not exactly 50 to 61.8 retracement, maybe lower than that. So on the same chart, let's do one thing. Let's take the retracement from this lowest to this highest level. Yeah. So the first one is just 23% retracement. So if my rule says it should come back to at least 50 to 61.8, then it should have been retraced at least till this level, and then I would have taken the trade and continued and joined the continuation higher. Otherwise, I'm not going to take this setup. So I hope I have given both the examples when to enter and when not to enter as per the rules. So if my rules are clearly defined and I follow my rules religiously, I will stay out of FOMO. I hope you found today's video interesting and it helps you to control your FOMO. If you want to know more details about my trading courses, do visit my website www.monetize.in. Guys, if you like my work, show your support, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like icon. Thank you and have a nice weekend.